If you've ever tried to remove or replace your OEM Frame T-Piece, you'll know just how difficult it can be, and we feel your pain. Ditch the spanners, mole grips, vices and wrenches, and invest in the Racebikebitz Frame T-Piece Removal Tool. Measuring just 50mm long, this discreet tool will squeeze into any size toolbox. Saving that, it'll even fit nicely into your pocket. Match this hexagonal bit with a 13mm socket wrench and make light work of your next T-Piece removal job. Save time and effort and invest in the new FTP Removal Tool. Perfect for KTM, Husqvarna and Husaberg bike models that feature an internal frame T-Piece. The FTP Removal Tool is the perfect accompaniment to the Samco Sport Silicone Frame T-Piece. Visit Racebikebitz.com to explore the world of Samco Sport Silicone hose kits. Search Hex Tool 1 and FTP to learn more about the benefits of replacing your OEM T-Piece.